What's good, my YouTube family? It's your boy Six, and I'm back with another video. And as you can see, we at a performance shop right now, so we're gonna get right to it. If you watched my last video, you would know that I said my trans has went out. I lost fifth gear, and also my clutch is starting to slip. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what your boy just picked up. So guys, as you can see, I picked up a new built transmission, but wait, this is not just any built trans. This is the Ben Calama Stage 3 MT82, man. Shout out to the guys over at Ben Calama, man, for making the process super easy. So I went with this trans because this trans right here is capable of holding up to 1,000 horsepower and 900 foot-pounds of torque. This trans also has bronze shift pads, billet shift rail stop, new carbon fiber synchros, seals, bearings, etc. Micro polishing, billet gear set produced by G4 specifically for Ben Calama's transmission. And I'm reading that off my phone, so if you want to go over, hold on, let it focus. Yeah, if you want to go over to his website, man, go ahead, check it out if you're interested in buying the Stage 3 MT82. So yeah, I'm super excited to put this thing in a car. I can't wait to see how it performs. I heard so many great things about this transmission. This is a 26 spline, by the way. But wait, we still got more goodies for you guys. So as you can see, obviously we got the Stage 3 MT82. Let's walk over here, man, so y'all can see what your boy 6-speed got. So let me show you what else I got. So this is throwout bearing or slave cylinder, whatever you want to call it. We got the oil that is recommended for the trans, 75W90 AMS oil. And let me get this out the way. We got the McLeod clutch line, the braided stainless steel. So guys, right here, I'm just as excited for this as I am for the transmission, to be honest. This is the Lethal Performance LPX clutch. Shout out to the guys over at Lethal, man, for making this process super easy. They explained everything well to me. Buying this thing was definitely the way to go. I know a lot of people go with the McLeod RXT or the RXT, but I wanted to go with this. So let me show you guys what it looked like. Damn, that thing gorgeous. So yeah, this is the LPX clutch by Lethal Performance, and the big benefit with this is that it's made with Kevlar material. For the people that don't know what that means, pretty much it's a material to help the clutch not heat up as fast or at all when you beating the out of it. Lethal Performance makes two of these clutches. They have the LPX HD, and then they also have just the regular LPX, which is the one that I have. This is a twin disc clutch. Flywheel already comes with it, as you can see. So yeah, I definitely think this was the way to go. This is pretty much like a rebranded McLeod clutch. Only thing with this is the McLeod don't have the Kevlar material that I mentioned, which this does. So that's definitely the benefit of why I chose this one. Got a little drift car. Damn, that thing is fast, man. Go crazy. Hell no. Oh. You good, bro? All right, back to regular schedule programming. So look, guys, this was literally spur of the moment. This was not planned. I did not order this or nothing. So, okay. This is my guy Matt at Untamed Auto, man. Shout out to my boy Matt, man. He's doing the trans. But bro, explain to them what you just told me.
OEM, we have a 2-piece drive shaft. We have this nice rubber, big ass hockey puck of a bushing here. So all the power you're putting from the trans is getting hit into this guy and then go into your back. So the 2 big issues you're gonna have is one, I mean, it's a rubber bushing. You start putting big boy power through it, like what you got on that Paxton, it's gonna tear. Right. These things tear, you have a 2-piece drive shaft. That joint breaks, you hit the ground with that drive shaft, you catapult the car like a I don't even want them, you know, like a goddamn Lego brick. Yeah. So, we got a nice solid 3.5-inch 1-piece drive shaft.
Guys, they literally just had this sitting around, guys.
Keep these, you know, off of just about everything.
So, they're gonna throw this in for me. Like I said, complete spur of the moment. But cause you gotta take the drive shaft out anyway to get to the trans. So why not just replace it? And this is the stock. And,
I mean, you're putting the big boy trans in because you know you're gonna beat the piss out of the car and you're gonna have some fun with it. So the last thing you wanna do is end up flipping it.
Alright guys, moment of truth.
Ooh, we down.
Yes sir.
Alright, now we kick this right off the trans jack and watch it blow up into a million pieces, right?
Yep, that's what we waiting for.
I told you my racket tracking would be fine.
Yep.
Man, old MT82 right here, guys. Stock MT82. Okay, here go the stock clutch.
Yeah.
Damn.
You got flywheel bolts.
You got it?
Yep.
There we go.
Most people, you take it off when you're doing your clutch. You don't put it back on, car doesn't start.
It won't start?
Yep. These teeth are going around. If it doesn't see these teeth going around, the car won't start.
So I'm gonna show you guys the dilemma that we ran into. Tell them what happened, bro.
We pulled down the trans and we opened up the leafle box and we got a nice beautiful clutch. We got a valve caliber trans. We got a braided line. We got a 4 throttle bearing, and we don't have a pilot bearing. And we're not going to play that game because you have 96,000 miles on this car. We put this up, it makes noise. Guess what we got to do? We got to pull it back down for a $20 bearing.
Yep, so here's the bearing right there. Let it focus. I don't know if you guys can see it. But yeah, I need a new bearing.
So when you guys order your clutches, make sure you order the proper slave cylinder, throttle bearing, Ford, and make sure you get a Ford Performance or a Ford Pilot bearing.
Yep. Now the process for today has to stop, guys. I wish I was able to get the car today and drive it, but I'm gonna have to come back. What's good, y'all? So this is day 2, we are back. Got my boy Charles in the building. So, as you know, we had previously ran into an issue with not having a pilot bearing. So, my guy Steve here is gonna let you know the little trick we gonna do with the pilot bearing, man.
Yeah, it's a good thing that your buddy was able to find one so we get you back up and running today.
Okay.
So usually back in the old days, you could get a puller. There's a puller you put on the end of a slide hammer, blah, 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 kind of like pulling out, bearing out of your end. And you can get little tools in here with little hooks and get in here. They make all kinds of different shit. Or you could pack it with grease and go ahead and take a punch, the right size, or even a 3/8 extension. Okay, so instead of using grease and getting shit all over the place and wasting grease, I got a trick that I've done before and showed it on Facebook. And people always ask if I'm gonna make a sandwich, what's with the bread? And here's the bread, and we're gonna show you, for the guys who do their shit at home, that you don't need all these specialty tools and just steal some bread from your mom's kitchen or your wife's kitchen, whatever. So we got the right size brass punch right here. We got some bread, and he's gonna go to town and show you. He thought the same thing when I said put bread in the fucking thing.
Not a joke.
Not a joke.
Not a joke.
All right, so what you wanna do is, you wanna take it, you wanna pack it in the hole. Keep packing. Once you get to the point where you can't push in no more with your finger, that's where the punch comes into play. So now, take your punch, put it up in there, and start hitting it. Compact down, the compacts down, pull it back out, shove more in. Out.
Let me see. So as you can
Down
see,
low. See this little ring down here?
yeah, it's starting to come out.
That's the space in between it now.
Damn, that's crazy.
Unless you know that's coming out.
Just like that.
There's your pilot bearing.
No grease needed. There's your bearing, and then you can go ahead and you can
Dig that out.
Alright, y'all. So we got the new clutch put in. We got the flywheel torqued down. This is a good looking clutch. Too bad I probably won't ever see it again. But besides that, yeah, we got everything torqued down to the right specs. So now left is just the trans.
She's almost all bolted in. We just got to get a couple more bolts in. This one sucks. This one goes on top of the trans all the way in the back. I'm gonna try with my blind ass to get it in on one shot. Look good for the camera. And up, almost dropped it. And if it drops, it might hit you in the face, so be careful.
Okay, let me back man.
And I got her. I got her in the hole at least.
Cool. So clutch is in. Trans is being bolted up right now.
Now it just goes up.
Pull it up.
Alright, we putting the drive shaft in now, guys.
Gun right now because we're not fully setting it yet, because we want to make sure you don't have no vibration. We're gonna back it out, torque it, lock tight, and all that other good stuff.
Alright guys, we got everything installed. This is the first startup with the new trans.
And drive.
And drive shaft.
Oh my God, this is how the f you drive?
Yeah, man. What's wrong with it?
You race like that?
Nah, I don't race like that.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir. We is back, baby. Shout out to my boy, man.
Hell yeah,
Hooking
man.
me up. Thank you, bro.
It's always a good time.
Alright guys, so once again, shout out to my boy Steve over at Untamed, man. If y'all want anything done to y'all car, make sure you hit my boy Steve up, man. He gonna get you right, and yeah, man, I appreciate you, bro.
No problem. I know we had little hiccups, little headaches, but it all worked out at the end of the day. Get your camber plates on so you stop burning out the damn tires.
Yeah, man.
We'll
So
get you right. You came
I'm
to
gonna
the
be
right
back to him, guys. Shout out to my boy Reese, man. So if y'all need anything done to y'all car, please make sure y'all check them out, man. Untamed in Schaumburg, Illinois. Alright guys, so the install is finally done. It's late right now. We've been here all day. Yeah, Ben Caliber Stage 3 is finally put in. The LPX Lethal Performance clutch is finally put in. Got to break the car in probably like a 500 to 1,000 miles, so I can't beat on it right away. But yeah, I'm gonna end today's video. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If this is your first time stopping by, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. We got a lot of content on the way, especially now with this new build. But thank you guys so much for watching. Love you guys like always, and I'll see all you guys very soon in the next video. Peace.